sharing knowledge, and understanding each other's strengths and weaknesses, and supporting each other to reach a common goal.
From one direction to another, we want to go one goal and one mission, two ups and downs,
Ginawang formula ng Lorena is parang advanced algebra. Yung ginawa ko namin is super advanced mathematics na class transformation kami, differential equation. So mali po yung formula na ginamit namin.
With different skills, talents, and strengths, trying to work together as a team to make that goal achievable. It is recognizing everyone's strengths and edges and appreciation of your own weakness, losses, and lapses. For us, when it comes to teamwork, it is more of we rather than I, because each person is being accountable for everyone's action. Thank you so much.